Hey everyone, Said It All You Cars. We have got this 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLS. It's a 350 diesel model, AMG line, with 82,000 miles, 8 services I do believe, and finished in selenite grey. As you can see, it is a facelift car. It's Euro 6, so it's ULEZ compliant. It's got the multi-beam LEDs, the 19-inch alloys, which are all in fantastic condition, front and rear parking sensors, very clean and straight on the bodywork, no dings or scrapes etc. to point out, recent brakes all around, the tyres are all good. Bridge number there for any checks that you may wish to carry out. That is plate that's included with the car. I think it's originally a 67 or a 66. But yeah, super clean and tidy. As I say, the tyres are all really good. A few small stone chips to the front, as to be expected, but nothing too stand out. Let's show you inside. Good boot on the CLS, very deep, as you can see there. All very clean, no nasty smells or anything untoward. No spare wheel because you've got your AdBlue tank. Warning triangle is present. Inside we've got the black leather with the contrasting white stitch. All very clean in the back. Of course, they're only a 4-seater, but you do get Isofix and your centre armrest with cup holder. Very nicely presented. And the same again in the front with the facelift dash. Both front seats again in super condition. Minimal wear to any of the components inside. With your flat bottom steering wheel with paddles and multifunction, as well as cruise control. Mileage is 82,939, and we'll just start the car now, so you can see there's no nasties, no warnings. So there you have it, it all starts without fault, there are no issues, there's even some fuel in this one. So we can just see your messages, look, there you go, 0 messages, so no issues whatsoever. Got the big screen navigation with your DAB radio, comes with FM radio and AM radio of course as well. Media, and there we go, memory card, media interface, and the all important Bluetooth audio just there. Navigation, which all works well, that's us just off Meadow Lane, and of course your Bluetooth phone. Switch the screen off if you wish. But yeah, and all your radio stations there for you. In the centre, we've got heated seats, along with your start-stop button, and your parking centre, and then just below that, you've got your climate control settings. Your aircon is very cold; it does work perfectly. And then cup holders. And a cubby hole there if you wish. And then your armrest with your media interface, if you can just see that. Handbooks are in the glove box. And we've got mood lighting as well, or ambient lighting. And that is it. Super clean car, very well cared for, great service history. Please do give us a call if you would like to book in for a test drive. And if you would like to know your finance options, give us a shout with that. We work with a number of lenders and we can try and get you the best deal possible. Thanks for watching.